Let's see the review of Lightning kernel 9.0 on MI1. In this video, I'll show you the ROM performance, how to install the kernel features, and ROM performance after installing the kernel. So let's skip to the about phone to see which ROM is installed and which kernel is installed. As you can see, the ROM installed is Shapeshift OS 2.1 and the kernel is the ROM stock kernel, that is Power Plus kernel. Now let's see the Geekbench score before installing the kernel. As you can see, the single core score is 171 and the multi-core score is 983. Now let's install the kernel. For installing the kernel, you just need one file, that is the kernel file. I'll show you. See the Lightning kernel, treble or not treble, version 9.0. Now let's see how to install it. Just boot to TWRP recovery. As you can see, the TWRP is booted. You don't need to wipe, cache or nothing. Just go to install and locate the kernel file. Just click on the kernel and swipe to install. As you can see, the kernel is installing. It says that the magic is detected, that is the phone is rooted. As you can see, the kernel is installed. Now just go to wipe and swipe to wipe and reboot system. That's it, the kernel is installed. The process is damn easy. As you can see, we are booted. Now let's get to the about phone. As you can see, the kernel is installed. The 4.1 kernel is Lightning kernel 9.0. And yes, this kernel can only be installed on 4.1 kernel ROMs. See, as you can see, the kernel version is 4.9. Now let's check some features. As it says, only for ROMs based on the 4.1 kernel, treble and non-treble. The features are based on CAF kernel 4.9, Linux version 4.9, CAF tag, Android 11 support, built with Proton Clang, added support for treble and non-treble ROMs, reduced logging, implemented Alter Rapid GC on F2FS, BOIFA Wavelock Blocker, State Notifier, BBR TCP concession algorithm enabled by default, KCL color control, added Collapse version 5.0, that has live display, driver similar to the Lineage live display, and it has sound control, F2FS control, BBQ IO scheduler, Anxiety IO scheduler, PixUtil CPU governor, Blue Schedule CPU governor, Smurfutil CPU governor, Pixel Smurfutil CPU governor, Lightning Util CPU governor, Adreno Util, Adreno Idler, added F-Sync on-off support, USB fast charge, enable 19 MHz idle CPU frequency, single zip for both treble and non-treble ROMs, power suspend, vibration control, WireGuard VPN support, voltage control, dynamic schedule tune boost, DS boost, CRC on-off support, Adreno boost, TTL target support, backlight dimmer, DTS Ultra, and many more features coming soon. I have rooted the ROM. See, as you can see, the magic. See, as you can see, the magic is installed. I have also installed the kernel auditor. Now let's get to the CPU and GPU settings. See, in CPU, the maximum frequency is 2016 MHz and the minimum frequency is 652 MHz. Rest settings are same. And in GPU, the max frequency is 650 MHz and minimum frequency is 133 MHz. Now let's run the Geekbench test and see what performance it gets. As you can see, the single core score is 168 and the multi-core score is 931. And these scores are after the kernel is installed. So this is how you install the Lightning kernel 9.0 on MI1. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
What just happened?